So like honestly, as we were saying, like in fact nowadays, like it's very difficult for like to support a kid we want, like being a single parent, I go sharp, like like what's happening right now.
And regardless if like what is happening right now, Prudence, as much as abantu bazothi bamshiye username and all that, it doesn't matter because of we don't know the agreement between Ukiz no Prudence. You understand?
Yeah.
So we can't say anything there. If Ukiz and Avegani feeling then you are supposed to do a DNA test, do things the right way, you understand? Not to go and embarrass Prudence on social media. You understand? And now he left Prudence for something better, whereas Prudence is the mother of his child.
Oh yeah.
What is the example that he's setting to his child? And then you understand? And to like younger boys, you understand? So Mina, I just feel like they should be matured about it. Like,
they need to solve it because like right now they are following the people's opinion.
Exactly. And also I can see Guti he recently uploaded with this other girl, you understand? That is giving people an opportunity to disrespect Prudence. You understand? Already in Kegisa, people are laughing at her right now. She's a joke. But this is not funny. Do you know how many single parents, like fathers, leave their children because of rumors?
That's one problem about
it. Like this is what makes a child function properly because of because of rumors. Come on guys, we all have to accept here Ukiz is wrong.
He is wrong, ne? And what about like the girl Yaqava? She's facing challenges on supporting the kid, bro.
Exactly.
Like it's a problem because the girl, ne, from maybe for these past 9 months, she thought that this guy was gonna support my kid. Then out of the blue, but how does this new girl feel about it?
I also feel like
that. Does she think she's right? Like
as from how I view it, ne? This girl who's also dating Keys right now. She doesn't think properly. She doesn't use her mind.
Maybe
why am I saying so? Because you can see, but no, as a hand, you understand? You can see, I'm dating this guy. This guy is not supporting his kid. So, if you get pregnant right now, do you think he's going to change for you? He's not going to change for you. It shows you're just a clown. You're also just a clown. There's nothing better about you. Because of if you are a better person, you're gonna tell this gent, hello, if you support your kid.
You understand? Something like
you understand what I'm saying? I feel like I'm definitely on Prudence's side because of like, guys, we see stuff. She's doing her best to do you know a child drains you emotionally, physically, you understand, mentally. So if you're alone in that space and somebody is making you feel like trash, I do not stand by Keys. Anything that like any person who stands with the Keys right now is out of their mind because of we cannot side with the nigga that does not want to support his child.
No, like the last time I talked with the nigga was like, I am gonna stay with the girl even if the baby is mine or not mine. I'm gonna stay with the girl because I just love the girl. So now to only find out later that the things have changed, I was like, what's happening? Like I was so shocked to a point of I started asking myself that does the guy love the girl or like you can't move on so fast after a 7-month relationship. You can't move so on fast. Like it was. Would you say it was content?
Exactly. It's content. Even if you can say it's content, don't disrespect your partner for content.
Yeah, true.
Don't do that. You understand? This is the mother of your child that we're talking about. We're not talking about just a random girl. You understand? This is the mother of your child. So and if he doesn't think for his family, that makes him a very weak man. And I don't stand by weak men. Weak men are what are wrong with the society. I do not stand by him.
I don't think
I don't think anyone with sense would stand with him. You understand? It's only those plastic bags that are standing with him because they have no brains to think like what exactly is happening.
You know the upload, bruh. It hit more than 20 shares, ne? When I checked the peak, but the peak has like something like 400 likes, ne, to 500. So I was like, what are the people sharing, ne? Because instead the people are sharing that peak saying finally. So they taking Prudence as if she was the wrong person.
Yes.
Why? Because he never told like Keys that the kid, like it's like she took advantage of Keys of what maybe the kid after 9 months bekumele uthi ngabumtshela kudala.
No, but then
No, like
can I say this? No,
but
because you didn't say
bega,
anything,
look at
it's
this.
because of our assumptions. They are assuming Uguti the kid is not his. Guys, that's why we have DNA tests. You understand? DNA tests start from 750. But okay, 750. You go to clinics.
But it's not that expensive.
It's
But when you're not
better than
working,
not supporting your kid. It's better than not supporting your kid. Let me tell you something. If a man wants to be in your kid's life, he's going to show effort. He's going to pay that 700 to check if that child is his. He's going to stand by his child. He's going to support his
What
child.
if kids is a reason why it's not easy?
What reason for not supporting your child? You guys azizid. You guys, you knew what you were doing. You knew Guti. Unprotected sex leads to what?
You know most girls
You
can
know.
assist with you,
You
and
know.
assist with me, assist with Steve, assist with Jomai.
Then get the DNA test if they're saying it's you. Prove them wrong.
how does
Facts.
this thing? If
What if I'm
Facts.
spending enough for the
Bruh.
for DNA, I find out that kid is not mine.
Then
I
you
lost
should-
myself.
King,
What it is,
look at
because
this,
at the end of
bruh.
the day now you're gonna say I'm not gonna support that child.
Check.
18 years later, that child is yours. Now that child, 18 years later, they decide, okay, they get a job.
Yeah.
Now they have their own money. Now your child is coming to you. Let's do a DNA test.
Okay.
And it turns out that you are the father. Aren't you gonna regret not being in your child's life for 18 years?
For me, I will tell him the truth. Oh,
It's
Okay.
not the truth.
Okay.
It makes you a coward.
Okay,
That makes you a coward.
check this theory, guys. Okay, check this theory. Check this theory, guys. Ne? Check this theory. Ne? If you drink 5 beers, 5 bottles of beers, all of them black label, ne? How are you going to know that this is the black label that made me drunk? Like if you drink the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one,
That's a great example.
how are you going to know
It's not.
if the third one made me feel drunk or the last one, the fifth one, made me feel drunk?
You don't know.
Yes.
But
So
then-
sometimes look at what I'm trying to cook, Chief. Sometimes even for the girl, it's too difficult for her to say this is the guy or no. So she will be confused. You know.
confused,
So
guys.
if she's confused,
You know, the only thing that I can say is that she
no.
has put all the possible fathers.
When it's away PS3 or you can. What if it's away you can when it's PS3?
Humiliated, ne? The best thing that she can do for herself, ne, is take her. You understand? She should just call all the possible fathers. You understand? All the possible. Like she's already been humiliated, already ne?
Yeah.
So she can just.
Oh, yeah,
call
but
all
that's
the baby
the point,
fathers
yeah, all the-
and just possible allegedly baby
Fathers should be
and
called.
just tell them, "Buti, let's go and do a DNA test." You understand?
Yeah.
It's that simple.
I think that's the better plan if she calls. Yeah.
It's just so simple because of at this point it looks like Keys is running away from responsibility.
Yeah.
But I will say this kid is son.
Who says it's not Keys' son?
But check this thing, ne?
Yes, that's what
Okay.
I'm saying, allegedly.
Okay, I want to ask one thing, guys.
Yeah.
If Keys ne, had already given the baby the name, and to only find out that Keys is not the father of the baby, does the baby change the name?
Yes. No.
But you know what I'm saying, because
Yeah, I know.
like this thing is just twisting around. It's twisting between the two people. Like as a guy, how would you accept to have your child having someone's name that you don't want? Like you had a plan that your name is going to be given, ne? You are a father, and then I'm a father too. I want to name my son Little Steez. So how am I gonna accept giving? Like check what's happening here, Kau, ne? The thing is like, ne?
Regardless of the name, why are you giving a child that is not yours a name anyways?
Maybe
No, this nigga is just running
Even
away
the
from
name.
responsibility. Guys, let me tell you something. If a guy has a I know like teens who are Steezy's age. I won't name not Steezy, Keys, excuse me. Who are Keys' age mates, ne? And they are taking care of their kids, guys, ne? It's tough. Vele kunzima. A child is a lot of responsibility, ne? Push whatever you're pushing. But yeah, now for him to make it seem as if Prudence is the one who's wrong in this matter, for the fact that he could tell you he's going to support the child, whether the child is his or not, ne? And then go around and make her laughing stock. No, he should just get a DNA test and focus on his kid, or if it's not his kid, he should just get a DNA test. And if it's not his kid, he can move on.
Cause right now you know what's the other bad thing, ne? We don't know her side, you know how Facebook works, ne? If you don't have much followers, people won't take your side. You understand?
Yes.
But if you have more followers, people always make it a point. Even if it's a lie, they'll always try to make it a point that these guys are saying the truth. Even
Yeah,
if it's a
exactly my
lie.
point.
So I was talking to her in the morning. She was like, I wish I could come right now and say my side of
of
this
the
story. But the problem is I'm still taking care of
the
that
kid.
baby. The baby, maybe the maximum could be 2 or 3 months.
Do you still remember the day we since if you
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's not the same child.
It's on the same video that you can see on the clip. He said it's his. He
Manje, why is
said
that?
he's a
Because now
father
people
of
are the
2.
ones-
Yeah.
Because now people have said the rumors and he has
People are the ones
changed. You see
who
what
are
I'm
confusing
saying?
him. And then if a man can be,
There was
Okay.
a post that was posted by Carlos.
yeah.
I think that post in
That post started every shit.
by Mahari post.
The post that was posted by Carlos, I mean like the quote that was posted by Carlos
Yeah.
is what started everything.
No.
Yeah.
People were
Because
already having
the-
rumors about it.
Yes,
Carlos
yes.
posted about
So people
it.
used Carlos as the person who
Carlos brought
exposed
it to
it.
the light.
Yeah.
For everyone.
Carlos brought it to the light. Yes, it was undercover, but Carlos was the one who made it officially first.
Exposed.
That's why he exposed it. But it's like you know that
But
there's
then,
a country.
even if he exposed it, ne, he's taking care of his kid. He knows what his kid is eating. Ukizi yena again. Ukizi yena again. No, come on, guys. Today I got to know could Lily Papa or not.
But what if it's not?
But what if it's his, guys? Exactly my point.
You
You
never know,
can
you
see Guti, he's a deadbeat already, and the child is so young.
I feel like
Kids,
no, I feel like personally, no.
is the thing that you should.
Yeah,
Personally, yeah.
Exactly.
Personally, that's difficult because I don't. If they were sure of that, if I don't think there's a DNA at the moment, because if they had DNA test results, there wasn't going to be an argument like this.
Exactly.
You
my
understand?
point.
But you know what? I think
Because okay, check this out. Officially, if you go on Facebook and check when they started dating, these people they started dating. I think it was 27 or 28 June.
so
And then the child was born on January. Then the kid
that's
was
9 months.
the kid, bruh. He or she, the kid was announced as a premature. So I don't wanna get it wrong. It's normal to have a premature, bruh.
Yeah.
But the question
And
is,
it was because of
why?
all the stress that she was under.
okay,
You
why
understand?
like?
Who created that stress? She did what she did, guys. But at the end of the day, she got pregnant, and Keys is the father of the child allegedly. So he must support the child until otherwise.
Okay.
Innocent until proven guilty.
Okay. What do the parents say?
Okay.
Okay.
Sure, that says you are not a father.
Check this point. First point.
You know, let me tell you something. If Keys feels like he won't be able to pay the whole 750, him and the Hans family should be like, Basofaga half. You understand?
What if kid?
And if it's his,
runs a loss.
if Bafaga
No, he can't run a loss because at the end of the day he's gonna know, bruh.
for a kid that is not his.
Dude.
But then if the kid is his, he must
Look at this king, what I'm trying to say. From 4 months up to 9 months, you told your father that I've got a kid or mother, ne?
Yeah.
Then till that time passed, till the baby was born, we knew that this kid was for this dark guy, no? Ne? We know that this kid was for this dark guy, ne? Then from Norway, you just say the kid is not mine. So what are you trying to prove to us? Like for all these months and days till you waited for the kid to be born, you were waiting to for you to reject the kid at the end of the day. You understand what
But
I'm
I
saying?
think he has a reason why he rejected the kid. He couldn't just
So why did
woke up in the
so
morning and
why
say,
did he accept? Why did he accept to go
Wait,
to?
let me tell you something.
something
Wait.
about this.
So all absent fathers think about, now I'm running away from my child.
No, this thing is
18 years.
this thing is different.
He's
This
gonna
was
run
an
right now. Let me
absent
tell you
father.
something. No, he is an absent
No,
father
no,
because
no,
of
no, no.
apparently he's not doing anything
He
for the
was
child.
there
He is a
before
deadbeat. He
the son
refuses to
was-
grow
was
up.
born.
If you have unprotected sex with somebody, you must be ready to face the consequences.
You know-
He is a deadbeat. He's not matured. He is very childish because of, you cannot ruin somebody's name like that. And I am done. Him and the girl that he is dating shouldn't have uploaded those pictures because of, do you know what prenatal depression is? That depression that you have after giving birth, ne? That depression, it makes you hate your child. You understand?
I feel
It
like
makes you
Prudence
hate your
needed
child.
more maximum support. Yeah.
It makes you hate your child. So now imagine if Prudence decides to also reject her child. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Those are the things that women are facing. And postnatal depression is a thing. People should be aware of it. You understand? Any day she can decide, I'm killing myself and I'm killing
Guys,
this child.
please
That's
concentrate.
it.
Please go to the other side. Sure. Yeah,
You
you
understand?
can continue. Yeah.
She can decide any day that she can wake up and say, I'm killing myself and I'm killing this baby. God forbid she does that. But postnatal depression is a thing. So people have to just be careful about stuff they say. You understand? It's so
But
simple.
like there's this thing I get it, but you know there's this girl called Minenhle, ne?
Yeah.
And this thing that she's
Minenhle
doing, Zulu, the thing that she's doing is not right. Like she keeps on dissing other people, trying to boost their Facebook followers through the use of
Destroying other people's
yeah. But
But then can I also say something on that, ne?
yeah.
As much as Uminenhle can be wrong, ne? She can also be right. Let me tell you something, guys, ne? If when you think Uguti, it's okay for you to say stuff about other people, but when they say stuff about you, you cry victim. You understand?
Yeah.
People have been also saying, body shaming her.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
About her height, about saying she has a big head, stuff like that. You cannot say that. So when it's done, when she starts doing
when she starts paying back to other people,
now they're claiming she's a bully. No, you understand? Don't do things that will make you trend if you do not want to trend.
So I think
Simple.
So
Anyeke ubuye ushute nge the thong, a yellow thong, a yellow thong, like boom, yellow thong, and you're not dressed, and you say, I don't want to trend, and you post that on social media.
You'll trend.
Amakudlists are gonna do their job. Amasharists are gonna do their job. I need to win a trend. You want fame? We're giving you fame. What more do you want?
Mara ukudla umuntu is wrong.
no,
Yeah,
which means okay, over by the way she's putting it, ne? That means when if you kudla someone, ne, you shouldn't be scared for them to kudla.
To kudla you back.
So if when I kudla someone,
You know,
if we kudla you back,
come back, it's
you
hard.
shouldn't cry. Like you.
Come back, Baba. Come back.
Yeah, now we are
Yeah.
come back. You understand? She's coming back from everything that was said about her. You understand? And Tina, we can take it wrong, guys. There are bullies out here, ne? And Mina, I can say, I won't say okay. Let me say, sometimes I don't agree with Ama post so I can, but like for the way Mina I know her, ne? She's not a bully. You understand?
No,
you
she's
can't
not.
go on social media and post your boobs and expect us to singer. Abantu bengagudli. You can't go on social media and post yourself like you are usibonisa indunu for content and expect that you won't.
But us as gents, we like that thing.
No, they just like to see the thing.
Yes, but
Who
you know why
who
you
has
like
to see the
stuff
cake?
like that? Do you know why
Everyone
you like
wants
stuff
to
like
see
that?
the cake.
Because you're a pervert. That's why you like stuff like that.
Yeah.
You understand? You want to see other women's naked. That makes you a pervert, actually.
Why are you taking pictures like that?
Exactly. Girls
No,
like that,
the girls do that to just boost their followers.
Yes, you understand?
Yeah.
It's babies and thirst traps. I think that's what they call
Just
it.
imagine us. It's just okay. So just imagine
and
us
then
guys
they
taking
trap
pics
because you're a
naked.
pervert.
So why are the girls doing it? Like you get the point. It's easier for a girl to train, while least if she's short with the booty and don't
Yeah, well.
naked. But if you do it as a gen, that's a turn off. Like, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Even on music videos, gents are always fully dressed. Check out the Lim Crazies, the
Exactly.
PCs, but the ladies, TNX, whoever, but they don't wear the ladies. I think that's
They wear
that-
bikinis,
that-
you
yes.
understand? I feel like women have sold themselves too short because of right now we are expected to walk around in bikinis. Ne? Show skin to get followers, show
Yeah.
skin to get a job, show skin to get certain things in life, you understand?
For a lady, if you don't have nice body or
So,
nyash,
as
we won't
girls-
follow you. We won't discover. Like, we won't discover
No
on,
one give
on
a shit about you.
Facebook. We won't
Unless
know
maybe
you.
you're
Like,
funny.
yashless.
Maybe if
Yeah,
you're
yashless.
funny.
We
Maybe if you're
can't.
funny, you
Wait for
understand? Maybe if you're funny. I know girls who are content creators and they got where they got without showing ass, without showing boobs.
Oh,
But
yeah.
most girls, that's what they do.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Maybe if you're dating a famous guy, then you can just.
I think the way you represent yourself to the public, ne, is the
It's
one
how people will take you.
will take you. Yeah.
Is how people will take you. That's why you know one thing about me on social media, I show too many personalities. You can't really pinpoint to it and say this is how she acts. You understand? I show too many personalities because I don't want anyone to say I know how she is. You understand? How I am on social media is not how I am when I'm at home. It's not how I am when I'm with my friends.
Yeah.
You understand? That's why my friends will tell you, but you know, you don't know this person. This is for content. This is what she does. Because I don't want people to say, now you see,
Yeah.
there is the problem. That's where the problem starts. On social media, when you find me in real life, I'm so chilled. You understand?
So
You
it's
get what I'm saying?
sort of like a chameleon.
Exactly. On social media.
Oh, the girl is a comedian.
Yes, exactly.
She changes color.
On social media, sometimes I'm depressed. I'm always crying. I'm posting posts about depression. Then now I'm hopeful. I'm a godly girl. I'm this crazy girl. Because of I don't want people to actually be able to say this is how she is.
But Ntwana,
Social media is a playground.
like guys, we've been seeing this girl quite for so long. We have got Mati. She's the one who was trending about the 6 feet and the 6 feet item. Yes, 500 million in versus the 700K, and
No, it was 500,000. Eh?
yes, and she has got like more than 2.5 million views on TikTok. Yes.
Exactly.
So Ntwana, like what's the shout out? Like so Ntwana, like how was it going? Like that side, like did you get paid, or how was it like doing content like that?
It was good, ne?
Yeah.
Because like I met many celebrities at that moment.
Yeah.
Even we were paid 1,000 for one
Each.
video.
Yeah.
Cause I can say cause. I was traveling to mainland.
So you did tours?
Yes.
So you guys were touring, something like that. So was that item staged, or it was like naturally, like the first time you saw the girl? Like, was it your plan to stage it up, or it wasn't staged? Then you started staging.
500,000.
Like,
It's,
yes.
Our first video, it was that one for 6 feet.
Oh, that was the first video.
That was the first video, and it was not planned.
Oh, it was not planned.
So naturally,
oh,
that's how you just
Guys, let's pussy.
Even that
Yeah, I saw it. She started vomiting the pink Bahama. It was Teddy, I think so. Teddy
So
Oshod.
that's the thing. Because even I'm let's get Lene 500,000 and 700,000. Yeah, it was planned.
Yeah.
Oh, you planned it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, so but how did you
like what Dom?
how did you feel like when you were walking on the streets, like
And
people seeing you,
were
you know,
seeing you,
But like maybe this Napokel by my EFT. You say that thing.
Yes, the EFT, I
Did
still
you like that?
remember.
Did you like that?
Yes, brother, like
People were praising us.
You see, shout out guys to people who make
Yeah.
youngins
Yeah.
famous, I guess.
but how at that point did you feel like you were controlling Johannesburg, something like that?
No,
You didn't.
nah, I didn't.
So where did you meet this Hannah? I'm asking for a friend, guys.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm
someone
asking
else
for,
Yes,
for
maybe
a cousin.
someone, yeah.
I'm asking.
I'm in Joel City. Joel City.
Oh.
Yeah, she stays there,
Oh.
Well, she stays at
but
USA.
not every time.
Oh, sure. So she travels. No.
So now why are you not opening your own what do you call this?
Oh, channel, yeah.
Channel as
Oh,
well.
You're not a superstar.
Yeah, because she must take advantage of that.
You understand?
Yeah.
No, like soon I'm going to open a
You're wasting
channel.
time, my sister.
No, like soon. Just know that soon.
Soon.
Okay, guys, so
Cover our pants, guys. You must relax.
So okay, but I feel you. I hope you felt it, guys. But this thing that I've been like, Vava. The relationship items, bruh. Like I don't like it. My red flag in a relationship, Yes, I need a girl to keep on checking up on me,
You need a
But
girl.
I want a girl like as a girl, like you need to check up on your guy. You understand what I'm saying? But sometimes, if a girl loves you too much, it's wrong.
Yeah, it's a red flag.
It's too wrong.
But
Like,
from what I know,
it's wrong.
slowly. Skaba wa kakamela. But then, guys, let me tell you something. When you're dating a guy, let me tell you, guys are weird because of when he's with his friends, he's this tough guy.
Thank you.
He's this big guy. Yes, the moment you guys are together and it's just you, he becomes a baby.
Wait.
He becomes a baby.
When you're with your guys, when you're with your niggas and you have your girl, you need to show off yourself as if you're big.
Yeah.
But
we have that competition.
the chance at the end of the day they will back up you and give you that motivation for you to be bigger, and then your hand will think that this one is the one is big.
But then, Mina,
Yeah.
let me tell you something. I feel like a gent should love you in public and in private. Mina, my gent loves me in public and in private. So don't be those type of girls who abafihlwayo, Now you are in public.
She said, I rich men little.
Now you are in public, you cannot hold your man like this. Because of when you're in public, your man is doing like this. Like this. You
yeah.
like this. No.
But
And also who is called?
Yeah, understand? No.
Yeah, but even look, Carl. Even you yourself as a guy, there are some girls that you can't hold publicly. I mean, like girls you can't. Let's be honest, bruh. Let's be honest, bruh. There are some girls that you can't hold publicly.
Even sometimes when I'm tired and I don't want to walk anymore, I'm like, baby, he's gonna say, give it.
Also, you are being carried like a small baby.
Yeah, because I'm tired now. And we're in public at that time. You understand? So, that's my point of view. If a guy wants to come about, the guy's gonna come about you.
But
you can't
That's
come
my
out
man.
You can't come. Which Mara come out. Sometimes you are a 9 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10. You can't go around bragging about it a 6 out of 10.
No, guys, some girl shares.
like one problem.
You break.
Okay,
Many people actually saying that
one problem why we flexing in, like the reason why we lose girls is because we always flexing about them. Like even a girl will flex and say, guys, look at my guy, my guy is like this, and then when you go to gents, look at my hand is like this, and the gents are checking, go the hand is fresh, and then they approach your hand when you're not there. That's how you lose it. And then we say, yes, there are some guys that have better standard than yours that you can't even afford, and so they take advantage of that.
Just because
His money, his style, his everything.
Yes, I introduce you to a one room where I stay, and then that guy wants my hand. Imagine when he's introducing my hand to a mansion. What do you think, when?
I remember I had an ex, I used to have this ex. So my ex used to teach me. He used to be like, obviously, when you're young and you're starting out this mature thing, you understand? You don't know a lot. So this ex of mine was actually matured, He used to teach me, my friends are my friends, they're not your friends.
Yeah.
And it took time for me to grasp that, and when I finally did grasp that, it was like we were already broken up, you understand? Now I had to use everything that he taught me in my next relationship. You understand? Now he taught me I don't attend a session. I actually don't.
You guys are shouting out to ex.
I don't attend hubby sessions. He taught me not to avail myself too much to gents, you understand? Not what's man just saying invite you saying ilapaya. You understand? I don't do what I'm saying.
But wait, I think the ex was scared.
No, he was
The
not
ex,
scared.
ne?
He was actually teaching me. because
Wait, guys.
he was teaching
Wait, guys.
me,
Please give me a
because of-
chance.
he could
Look what
see
I want to cook.
The time when he
Look
was
big,
teaching me,
big.
I didn't
Okay.
know stuff. You
Okay,
understand?
okay, can I cook? Can I cook?
You
Okay.
understand? And then he taught me, Guti, no, if you have certain friends like this, ne, don't do some of these things just because your friends are doing them.
Okay,
Do not succumb
okay.
yourself to peer pressure.
Okay.
That's why I'm able to go to Mabanga Mbahamba by clapping. I can say, no, friend. Mina Angi. That's what he taught me.
Okay,
Understand?
can I cook?
Yeah, cook.
I think the friend told her. They're like her ex told her. Now that my friends are my friends, your friends are yours, ne? So to a point that when the nigga's friends mingle with her, ne, the guy was scared that there could be chances of his niggas. Exactly, they had a better style
But
than
then-
his. But it saved them for that time. But
Saved him.
yes, it saved him.
But
Even
that actually helped
from
me,
not even from
because
not.
of, you know what I'm saying, that actually helped me. Mina, I can, you see my man, like they chill as friends, you understand?
Yeah.
I only talk to his friends when he's there. Now, Kona, the what do you mean, the topics that we talk about, me. Anya goes to just Aziz or anything. It's just those short conversations. Hi, how are you?
Mutual
Cool.
conversations.
What done? I'm there with him. If maybe they're talking about a conversation, if they're in a conversation that involves all of us, so put my 2 cents.
Okay,
Yeah, understand?
to all gents that are watching this, if you are scared of that your girl is gonna be taken and you don't trust yourself, that means you are living within the words of this quote that says she's not yours, but it's just your turn. If she's yours, she's gonna be with you forever and forever.
Wait, Mina, wait,
And we
wait,
can't trust. We yeah?
That's it.
Let me tell you something also.
Even married people cheat, and
Yeah.
according
And they
to
never leave
South
their
Africa,
partners.
the married ones they cheat the most.
No.
They cheat the most.
But then let me tell you something, ne?
No, 80%.
I feel like that ex of mine was actually teaching me a lot of stuff that were good, bruh. You understand? Because of him, ne? He put me that mentality, Uti, don't go after what a guy shows you he has. You know those guys, Uti, now so let's say example, I'm dating Steezy, ne? You guys pull up. Now so you're showing us so keep 200 now. Because of what I see.
That's a
You understand?
Mara, most girls bathatheka.
You understand?
Ngisho mathiya ngikuthatheka.
That's your
nowadays-
chain. If you
nowadays
love your
it-
chain, I'm telling you, you don't. No matter how
Wait,
much
Baba,
the other guy
Baba,
has more than
in
your chain,
Johannesburg-
if you love your gent,
Yeah.
your man is gonna be the hill you're willing
Mara,
to
you know-
die.
Guys, wait, King.
He loves someone, but he doesn't love
Wait, King. In Johannesburg
Oh,
Fest,
King.
we now on money in Johannesburg Fest. If there's no true love for my side, there is no true love at Joe's, because if you don't have money to buy rent, where are you gonna live? If you don't have money, what are you going to eat? If you don't have money, which girl are you going to please? Because remember, all of the things that she needs in Jozi, they are being bought. In Johannesburg, there is nothing for free. It's just like a little small America. You can't be dating a girl and not giving her something to make herself happy. How is she going to be proud of? How is she going to be proud about you? What is it that is gonna make her feel better that you gave her? Money, remember, money depletes. Money can end at any time. But if you buy for her something like a dress or whatever, that thing can stay for like maybe 10
But I
years.
mean,
And
let me
then
tell
she's
you
gonna
something.
remember you with that dress. And that dress is being bought by what? By money, bruh.
I would rather date a guy.
crazy.
You found me. You see, like right now, at this point of life where I am right now, ne? And he's also at his point of life. You understand? Me and him, we are building something together. You understand?
Yeah.
It happens because he's not gonna say, he's not gonna say this girl started dating me when I had money. He's gonna know Uti Nsuka would date this girl to where we are today. It's because of me and this girl started together.
You know
building
something? Let me
this.
tell you something.
You understand?
You can build an empire with someone else, but actually, you can do my say build it.
And now listen to me, ne? That's why I always tell people, get what you deserve. get as much as you want. You understand? Because of you guys building something doesn't mean he's gonna build something with you forever.
Yeah, that's
You understand?
true. You can't stay with
Build,
someone.
but as you're building with that person, also get what you want. You understand? Girls should be smart. Everything works. Everything. The world right now revolves around money. The world right now revolves around who has what, who doesn't have that. You understand?
Yeah.
Don't be that girl who is so dependent on someone that you don't see that they're playing you a game. There are signs of when a man is gonna leave.
Especially nowadays, just watch out, the topic is changing. People go to church, in fact, and then when they get to church, you know these prophesiers and prophecies and prophets, bruh.
Yeah.
They will tell you that within the next coming week you get 1 million, and then you don't get it. What would you say about your pastor?
A fake priest.
It's a fake priest, but it will take you time for you to analyze that guy is fake because you were waiting for that 1 million. So you keep on going to church. Now people, they don't have a tendency of going to the church to praise
God.
the God or the Lord, whosoever they praise. But now they go to church in order for them to get what? Something in return.
Some good
Yes.
church, you know.
But then
Yes,
let me tell you
yeah.
something. Let me tell you
Some
something.
relationships they started at church
era-
where we are supposed to be
the
praising
era- the
God.
era that we are
But
living-
how?
The era that we are living in right now at this point, ne, is because of guys, God listens. God is watching everything that happens on earth. You understand? That's what people should get. As much as God created men and women, there is also sin. He understands sin. You understand? He knows sin. And one thing that I always tell people, in whatever you do not be blasphemous. Do not play with God's name, because of God can take that away anytime. You understand? There are rich people who always mock God. Take for instance, you mock God, you're rich. You're still gonna be rich. We're not saying anything. But then, and all people will say, Mara, God doesn't see me when I'm suffering. Mara, you understand? God didn't say,
people
God helps people who help themselves. Stand up, do something, and God will help you in your hustle. Don't just sit and you're always praying, I want 1 million today, I want 1 million tomorrow.
Like
you're gonna wake up and boom, you have 1 million.
You can't sit at home.
Hustle. You understand? People think when you're praying, then you're like, God, please, I want a Benz tomorrow. Their Benz is just gonna wake up and be parked outside your house. Do something to get that Benz.
You can't sit at home
and
wait for a call to come to your phone unknown saying you have now been employed at where
exactly.
so.
What are you not looking
but
for?
You need to go and look for a job.
It's delusional. I'm telling you. You cannot pray that you win the lotto every day and you don't even play the lotto.
Yeah.
That's being delusional. You understand? God helps people who help themselves. And one thing that I always tell people, fake priests, guys, they exist. Some people, you have those people that are praying, but sometimes now you ask them, can you see my future? They'll tell you, now you are going home. You're afraid to eat your auntie's food now. Now you are going home. Now your auntie's saying, now
you can't even eat. You're thinking there's a poison inside. Now you can't eat the food because you are following the pastor.
It's a hustle.
No, that's a hustle.
Yeah. Some churches, it's a hustle.
God is coming. God for real is coming. And we're all going to die. Even if God doesn't come for the next 100 years, we're all going to die, guys. We're all going to face judgment day. And I'm not saying, guys, in this generation that we are in right now, Satan is big.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, the guy is big. Okay, look at wait before you cook. Look at the devil, bruh. The devil is just the only guy.
Exactly.
But how many churches exist that are against him? More than 10,000 churches that are against the guy. But the guy, even if right now he's sleeping and you fall on the street, then your leg gets broken, you just say it's devil's work.
Very.
That guy is just anytime blamed for anything that he has never done. I'm not supporting him.
Under him like demons.
Yeah.
Yes, but not everything should be blamed on him.
No.
Not everything should be blamed on him.
God gave people the choice.
It's not like that.
No. God gave people the choice.
Okay. If it's good things, it's God. If it's bad things, it's the devil. Why not the other? Why not the other traditional
me tell you
tribes? Why
something.
not the other
Let me tell you
tribes?
something.
Why not the
Let
other
me tell you
tribes?
something.
Why not your
Let me tell you
ancestors?
something.
Why not?
Could do good things for you.
Let me tell you something. No, but let me tell you something. You see, abantu laba abathwalayo.
Yeah.
Abantu abathwalayo, ne? Guys, you can twirl. I'm telling you.
Twirl.
You can twirl. You can twirl with the nyogs if you want. But the nyogs is going to wake up at night and is going to want Azizi. That is you sacrificing yourself.
What Azizi?
Sometimes maybe
the snakes
it wants you to
Azizi or
sacrifice virgins.
with
Sometimes
someone, yeah.
it wants different stuff from you. Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That is you selling yourself already. A piece of you is sold. If you can take umntana bantu, an innocent child, and give it to your tatalento,
Okay. So
You understand?
where do you put the snakes? Okay, the snakes is under the devil. Remember that on the first the snake is under the devil. Remember on the first part of the Bible, the devil came in form of a snake.
A snake.
So that's why this thing or this theory is always proven to be 100% that you get rich if you go for a snake. If you go for a snake, you get more money because the devil from Genesis came to Adam and Eve in form of a snake.
Exactly.
You don't get it, guys, but you choose a rat, you choose a fly, you choose an owl, and all won't give you more money compared
But
to a
also,
snake.
let me tell you something.
see?
But also, guys, do you know Gucci, when after that when you're done, now it's now you're 50 years old, ne? Now you're 50. Mhlampe, you're about to kick the bucket now, ne? And then now you have your tatalent and bungozi. It's staying in your house now. Now it has eaten all your children's mhlampe wombs. I'm making an example. Ne? Idla abantwana bakho manje bonke. Now, Melush, now when you die, you have to pass it on to someone.
Yes.
Now me, I'm your child.
And you don't even know. And nowadays the parents will
They
pass
do
it to her when you don't even know. And then some one day or some other day when you are matured enough. I don't know how they do it. Yes, it's either you realize it through a dream or someone will tell you that when your father died, he kept that item for you. That item has been given you.
Exactly.
Yes.
Now it's your turn to take care of it. When are you going to break the curse?
But you can't break a curse.
You can't break the curse.
But if you break the curse, you die.
No. If you break the curse,
what if the snake is there for generations?
Your mom is a millionaire, bruh. Ne? Gini mhlambe baqala ukuthola from ukhokho wakho. Ne? Ukhokho, ugogo, umama. Understand? Gini nama-billion manje bayatshela ukuthi mawubuyisela le nyoka niqala phansi emkhukhwini. Wena ngeke nawe ngokwakho uyibuyisele uzoyithatha le.
I used to good life.
So used to good life uzoyithatha le nto vele.
Will you take it, myself?
Okay, wait, ne?
Yeah.
I feel like I
Go back and cook.
look guys what I'm cooking, ne? Look at what I'm cooking. Wait, Mati, look at what I'm cooking. Nowadays, ne, I feel like ne, I feel like the earth has changed, ne? Back then, in our grandpa's era, those things they were doing them, ne? But traditionally, they were meant to be hidden. Even if you were rich, it was hidden that you had something. But nowadays, in our generation of the 2000s, the 2Ks, they make it official that no, bruh, I've got a snake on my home.
And
so if you want to do it, they even shoot the snake. So now it's made as content. That's why it's even trending. If it wasn't made like on content, it wasn't going to trend. So look at what I'm cooking, Chief. Look at what I'm cooking, ne? So now the 2Ks have made it official that you get a snake to be rich, ne? So even if that guy or that girl dies, ne, we will blame the snake. But back then, we couldn't blame our fathers or grandpas that they died, ne, due to that snake, because they had passed it on to you, the little one.
And it gets more powerful.
And it gets more powerful as soon as the generations go by.
But then, let me tell you something. We also inherit. People only think that we inherit snakes, ne? Do you know, Guti? Ekaya, where you stay, ne? Where you stay right now, we have different things that are passed down to us. You understand? I'm speaking from, let me not say experience. You understand? Your grandmom, ne? when your mom was growing up, maybe your grandmom, she was an abusive parent or anything like that. You understand? Now your mom is being an abusive parent. You understand?
So many patterns are passed on to.
You understand? Does that mean that also you, when you have a child, you're gonna be an abusive parent?
Yeah, there is a chance.
You understand? A person changes their own destiny. You change your own destiny.
I think
Check right now. Okay,
You understand?
No.
Exactly.
I think our era is the one that is going to understand that.
Yes, I'm
Our
telling
era,
you. Let me
is
tell
going
you
to
something.
understand
Let me
everything.
tell you something. Like there's a topic that I wanna discuss a bit. Ne? It's a small topic. Okay, right now, ne, you're going in a home where umalumulala nawe, and your mom knows. And your mom, she's allowing it. She's allowing that stepfather to do that to you. She's allowing that uncle to do that to you. Ne? Then you later find out, Uti, the same thing happened to your mom. Are you going to let the same thing happen to your child?
Those things are family cases. You can't.
Yes, I understand.
You can't overcome it.
Okay.
You can. Let me tell you something.
It's what when you
A lot of children, as I'm bringing up this topic, a lot of children are going through that. You understand?
Yeah.
A lot of children are going through being raped by family members, and they cannot say anything because of umalume. We are swondla ekhaya.
Yeah.
Ustepfather uyoswondla ekhaya. Ma ustepfather ngaboshwa sizodlana ekhaya. You understand?
Imagine you having like or dating a girl or a girl ne, who's saying that she wasn't raped by a boyfriend but her father. How would you do that?
Exactly.
Would you go make it a new police case? You can't, because to make it a police case, you are fighting with you're fighting with their family. At the same time, when you're about to pay tributations to her family, you want them to be there for you. You understand what I'm saying? Like what I'm saying, guys, is like the world has changed. Back then, when you sold the cake, ne, you were treated as like a piece of something. I can't say even the other way. But nowadays, when you sell, ne, people are comfortable with it. They know that you are trying to make a living.
To the young ladies that are out there, to the young ladies that are that are going through a rape situation, it is always better to report it, sweetie. People will not blame you. It's hard, and in this generation that we live in, it's easy for us to report cases like this.
Yes.
Do it for yourself. Do it for whoever is next in your family. Do it for your younger siblings. If you're being raped, report that crime.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Don't care what about you were pretending, or you wanted it, or it was the way that you were dressed. Nobody asked guys to be raped. Being raped takes a piece away from you. You will never be the same. And if you keep that thing inside you, it's going to hurt you. It's going to hurt you. But I'm telling you, it's going. About now you're acting weirdly, and people are gonna think, but they don't know what that's how you are covering up from crying.
But there's this thing that is like going on nowadays. You know, you can date a person and be loyal to that person, like as so many times you want to, but that person wouldn't tell you that person is infected by an STI or is HIV positive, like, you know, till you get to a point or a state of whereby you go to the clinic and test, you find out that
Man, what did you say, Chief, if you can find out that your new partner just made you to be positive?
If you go back to my partner, remember, is a lady. If I go back to the lady and hit her for that she gave me HIV plus STI, according to the police, I get arrested.
Yes.
But if she hits me, she doesn't get arrested.
They laugh at you.
They laugh at me.
Because men
so nowadays it's very hard to express on how I feel to the public. Because when I express myself to the public, I'll be wanting them to be there for me.
I understand, but do you know that when they say gender-based violence, guys, it doesn't only cover women.
No, it does.
It doesn't.
No, it does.
It doesn't.
Us as men, we're expected to be always strong.
Yes, us as men, they want us to be always strong. Yes.
You understand? But I'm saying, if you are a man and you're going through that, go to the police station. If you feel like you're not being taken serious, then just like
Okay.
Look at what
do you go to the police station
check,
and then you report me and then they come and arrest me?
Look at what I want to cook, Chief. ever since from high school, there's this thing called gender equality and gender equity. Ne? The ladies, ne, they are always on the safer side or advantage side, but us guys to get to the advantage side, ne, is very hard. But check it this: when you are learning at school and you pass a grade 12, they will say for you to get to university or whatever, ne, you need like 3 A's or 5 A's, and then the ladies 4 B's. For a guy to get to the higher school, like higher grade, you need to work harder than a girl. Like we are learning on the same school. This school is supposed to accept our servitors, but for a guy must have 5 A's, but for a girl must have 5 C's. You get what I'm trying to say. A guy is always supposed to be even more higher or more clever than the girl, because the girls, they are already boosted in even educationally or even relationshiply or even financially. You find a girl being a financial advisor, but she doesn't know how to calculate. But for you, because why? Through the cake. You understand what I'm saying? You find some other celebrities to where they go today because
to get where they are. You understand my point?
Or even some celebrities today, they are celebrities because of the cake.
No, they're not celebrities
because of the cake.
Let me tell you something.
Some people are not meant to be celebrities.
Let me tell you something. Even if you cake your way to the top, you understand? It's not only cake that got you there.
No.
You thought you have
it's not strategic. That's why. It's not strategic.
Let me make an example.
Look, Njomane Pega. It's not strategic. That's why there are now even guys that are even selling. There are now guys that are even selling, trying to make themselves ladies to get to the top.
Let me cook.
You can. Okay. Let her cook. Okay.
Let's say now, I went to school. I went to high school. I finished. I passed properly. I went to university. I finished. I passed properly. I got a degree in law. A job. I go to an office. When I get there, the CEO says, if you want the job, you have to sleep with me for it.
But it does happen.
Wait.
Yeah, it does.
Now I sleep with the boss.
Yeah.
I get my job. I'm smart. I work my way to the top. Yes, I got my job through the cake.
Yeah.
But now, after I got my job, now I'm working. I'm applying myself. You understand?
But you're still giving him.
But I'm giving the boss the cake. I already gave the boss the cake.
He will come back.
He will take you down. That's how
exactly. But listen. Now the boss has hired me. When you hire someone in big companies, guys, you cannot just unfairly dismiss them because of CCMA and stuff like that. You understand?
Yeah.
So now you already hired me. I'm already in that position. I can choose to not sleep with you anymore because if you cannot just fire me. You understand?
But he can destroy you.
You can keep me in that job where I don't get promoted, but at the end of the day I'm still getting paid.
But he can also report.
But if I'm also working and I can also report him for how I got the job. You understand? Now I got the job. I'm working my ass off. Bosses up there, they're recognizing me. Now I'm not giving anybody the cake. Now I get a promotion. Understand? From that promotion, I get another promotion. Now I'm not sleeping with anybody, but I'm getting promoted through my brains. Now, you understand? The fact doesn't change. How did I get the job? I slept with my boss. But now what changes is what? I'm not sleeping with my boss, but I'm anymore. But I got to where I am right now.
I get what you're saying, but do you know the pain of seeing you doing something that I took for almost like 7 years to get there, and when within 2 weeks you are there through giving out the cake. Like this is like I'm sorry if this is going to affect the other people like outside the world. It's very personal or it's very hurting to see someone rising to the top, becoming a celebrity, through the use of having, like if you have if you have the snake, you got the money or you got to the top of where you are today through the use of a snake. And I've been working hard, and I've been working hard for like 10 years Do you know how does like that thing stresses so much that this person made it easier than what I thought, you know? So the person having the snake will be like,
It all depends on everybody, guys. Let me tell you something.
Like you having the snake, you know
if
already.
you're determined enough, if you're determined enough, whether you do it legally, whether you do it illegally, whatever you do, if you have that mindset, one thing that I believe in, Mina, I will do whatever it takes to get where I want to get.
In South Africa, for you to be successful, you need to go illegal. You can't live. You can't live fresh life or normal life.
Myself, I would do anything. When I say anything, I mean I would kill to get to the top. I would cry. I would sacrifice a lot. I would
just keep on going.
I would do a lot of shit to get to the point.
Yeah.
To where I want to be. You understand? If it means ukuthi manje, I'm just joking, guys. I would never kill myself. I would never kill anybody that is close to me. But then I would do anything to get to the top because it's just failing is not an option. You understand? Okay, to spawn. What else? Dating. Oh, okay, guys. On the topic of dating a broke gent, would you date a broke gent? Like, would you date a broke girl? Like, when as a gent?
Nah.
When I would date a broke gent.
Hi.
Why are you laughing? I would date a broke gent. Because.
Okay, because of what?
What if a kaya si right at home?
But still,
I have everything that I need. You understand, guys? I'm not going. Just because you're dating someone doesn't mean you be dependent
Okay,
on
no,
that person.
sometimes don't be broke. Like, we are broke.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Obviously,
So guy now,
our home situations are fine.
Yeah, true.
Understand? Wonke umuntu kumele azame ngendlela zakhe zokuphusha, to hustle, to panda. You understand?
When my sister, what about you? When you date a broke gent?
yeah, I could. Because
What was the catch up, boy?
I did
Sure.
date.
And then
But
how
yeah,
did it go?
Mara manje kuyafana.
Okay, if you like, you should be broke, man. Mara like, when time goes on, like, yeah. That's all, yeah.
You should
no,
that's why I'm always telling people, even if you're dating a broke gent, you guys should have plans for the future.
Yeah, true.
You understand?
Okay,
have
so
plans
can
to
I
make
ask,
money,
can I ask,
man.
Are you dating, let's say when you're dating, are you dating for fun or dating for the future?
No, look.
Hey!
Wait, look at this
So
thing.
you're asking? Oh, you're asking me.
Yeah.
Both of you.
Wait.
Am I dating for fun or
Yeah.
am I dating for the future?
Yeah.
I'm dating for the future.
No, guys, no one is dating for fun.
Okay, wait.
Chiefs, we can't be talking about relationships. Chief, we can't be always be relationship wise. Chief.
You
But
know,
like,
We can't even okay. Look at this
when I'm dating for
point.
fun.
Okay, let me divert this thing. Let me divert this thing. Look at what I'm saying. If you are dating
Yeah.
for fun, with a broke gent,
Yeah.
a gent that is broke, will always, most of the gents that are trying to make money through Betway because they're not working.
yeah.
And some of the people end up addicted to Betway,
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, bruh, like it's difficult because that person is trying to make money through bet,
Exactly.
And it bet sometimes, is right when you are winning. But when you are losing, it's very wrong, bruh.
Exactly.
Because you are going to spend more money,
In
like.
Forex does
So for Forex is like betting.
Forex is sort of
It's
like,
almost
you know
similar,
what,
like-
let me explain something
Yeah,
about gents.
yeah.
Most gents think the money is in the charts. Money is not in the charts. There is someone behind.
Yeah.
It's manipulated by the economy.
Yeah.
Forex gents say they don't need the economy, but they do need the economy. Where do you think the money that you win comes from? It comes from the economy. The money is not in the charts. The chart is just analyzing, but there's someone behind who's controlling who gets money, who doesn't get money through the trades and how we analyze.
It's the same shit like Betway.
Even Betway.
You know how does the Betway never vanish? If you put like 1,000 rand, you buy 1,000 rand voucher, you see what the people always talk about, the promo codes and items and shit,
Yeah.
So those promo codes, like let's say you put 1,000 rands, the promo code,
Yeah.
that 1,000 rand, if you lose it, That promo code you used to register to enter the Betway or Hollywood or whatever, the half of that money is going to
The promoter.
the owner of the promo code. Yes. So imagine if a person buys like 10,000 rand voucher.
That's why
If he loses all the 10,000 rand
that's why they
voucher,
take
the other half,
influencers, man.
yes, they take influencers.
The Betway is advertised by Nico Mutis. I think it's Nico Mutis.
Yes.
I've seen a video
Hey, it's
of Nico
Hollywood.
Mutis. Yeah, it's Hollywood.
It's Hollywood.
Nico Mutis.
Yes.
But it's the same thing. I think.
Just check this thing on how it's going. You might think that people are making money from TikTok, ne? Yet at the same time, TikTok, ne? It's on South Africa is not eligible. The country is not eligible yet for to get payments. But those influencers that are big on TikTok, they are using the promo codes, bruh, to survive with them. Like if someone uses 10,000 from that 10,000 rand voucher, they take the 5,000 and the 5,000 goes to the Betway. But if that person wins the 10,000, they don't get nothing. So for the promo code people, they only earn money if you lose.
Oh.
Yes, they only get a living.
So
They only get a living if you lose. Yes, it's the owner. It's
But
the
then
owner.
another thing that we should also consider, I feel like like maybe a topic shift a bit. This thing of addiction. Have you noticed how EU theatre is addicted to alcohol so much?
Yeah.
We're addicted to a lot of things.
We're addicted. We are a generation that is addicted to humbly,
Yeah.
alcohol,
Aziz.
Yeah.
taking each
Special
other,
Aziz, yes, special Aziz.
and we are taking each other unprotected, guys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Spreading
Understand?
top.
Spreading sickness.
But yes, even you know this attitude of loving the cake, ne, without a plastic. I think they got it from the the elders. They don't like.
But next thing you're going
how are you going to make your girl love you with a plastic?
But next thing
She
you're going to
won't
be saying
catch feelings.
you are not the father of the child.
what
But
did
if
she say?
I Azizi with you unprotected, you will say you're not the father
Not
of the
the
child.
father of the
again.
child because the guy
No.
would not be ready.
No,
You know,
and the
most
response
girls
is-
that in our
yeah,
generation can
yeah.
Aziz with you today, Aziz with you, Aziz with Jomani, Aziz with the guy, Aziz with everyone on the squad.
I
You know,
feel
even the squad.
Dry.
If we are 10, she can Aziz with us all. And then
So nowadays it's easier to spread HIV.
and then tomorrow she's laughing at me.
It's easier.
No. Papa Messi badge.
But then I feel
You're
like
hungry.
it's easier. You know when I feel like also these like habli and alcohol contribute to unprotected Aziz because of
It does. Yeah.
now you're drunk. You're not thinking about the
Yeah.
You're not thinking about the plastic now. The only thing you wanna see yourself inside.
So alcohol contributes
You
to
understand?
Aziz, ne?
Tomorrow you're waking up. You're going to use the bathroom. You can feel what something is wrong here. You understand? Now you're running to the clinic. You're getting injected for sicknesses. You understand? People should stop. Don't let alcohol control you. People should stop Azizing.
But South Africa,
Stop doing it.
South Africa, this is a country of
I'm talking about
alcohol.
you guys, not me.
I'm sure I'm doing it to my mama's
No, South Africa is a country of alcohol, and in South Africa, once you drink wine or you drink beer or you drink, yes, like when it comes to business, I think alcohol.
South Africa.
Have you ever realized that South Africa has never went out of beers? South Africa are all beers.
Yeah,
How are we gonna run out of beer when we have other people who are?
they can run out of
alcohol?
fuel, or fuel can even go
I'm
higher.
telling you, like the
Run
way-
out of electricity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then, even if you can say that, it's boosting our economy also.
Alcohol does.
You understand?
Almost half of South Africa,
You understand?
50%, 60%.
It's boosting
most of
our
us
economy.
are drinking alcohol.
But it's okay. I didn't say people should not drink alcohol. I'm just saying the consequences of drinking alcohol.
But even South Africa, with drugs, they are making a lot of money.
Exactly.
But
I think
that
that's also illegally.
but that hasn't been made like official.
Yeah.
Just imagine someone else is drinking alcohol from January to December. Spending his salary or his salary with alcohol.
But then what I'm saying is that, guys, I feel like alcohol has its pros and cons, you understand? But then also, Tina, as the youth, we are now abusing it. You understand? We are abusing it. Guys, you can't be drunk 7 days a week. 7 days
No,
a week.
365 days a week. 365 and you don't remember any day being sober.
But guys,
Alcohol is to everyone that loves alcohol. Alcohol is the key to relieve stress. To those who don't drink alcohol, I'm sorry, but to all alcoholics in South Africa, if you are drunk, if you are happy, if you are sad, you relieve the stress through
If you pass me a metric, you celebrate alcohol. If you fail a metric,
alcohol.
If you are in a wedding,
Alcohol.
Exactly.
If you are doing whatever, you drink
Alcohol. So everything is alcohol.
We even guys have alcohol for my 23,000. Me, you would sacrifice.
Have you seen that trend? What thinking South Africa pipe
yeah, they should transport alcohol to our houses so that
And another thing, you know, South Africans.
Oh yeah, so they shouldn't put water through taps. It should be alcohol coming out of the
in
taps.
our households.
We drink
But then us
alcohol.
as South Africans, I feel like we're also not serious.
With life, yeah, anything is fun.
As South Africans,
No, in South Africa anything is content.
you know,
that sound so when
not only that, man, not only that. Do you know, I saw this post recently on Facebook that says South Africans, they're always fighting with people from outside about jobs and all that.
But they don't
But
know
then
what
guys,
they're
South Africans, you always see us making content about alcohol. What's your clock? 350. 5 liter wine.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay.
Raise up so that you guys can drink more.
Mara, not everyone is drinking.
Not
Okay,
everybody's
wait.
drinking more. And I feel like your card should be monitored to what you are buying with that.
Yeah, what you say. But still,
There are
Okay.
people who actually need that money.
No,
There are
do you
people
know
who
what's
actually.
happening? You go there and say, okay, can I please have cash back? What's on your cash back? You can't do
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, guys. Check it what I'm cooking. With obvious South Africa, I'm always cooking chief. But obvious South Africa is always full of people who like alcohol, you know. But imagine that person who dies due to alcohol. Remember, too much of something is bad. So when you drink too much alcohol, that means your kidney is what? Is failure. Your kidney doesn't work. But look at what I'm saying, chief. Your kidney, if you die due to alcohol, that means it wouldn't be functioning anymore. So when you die and they put your body, that means your kidney, they won't even take it. But for a person who didn't even drink any single drop of alcohol, do you think when that person dies, do they take his kidney or they just leave them there?
No, they take.
They take
money.
Yes. So remember, the kidney is money because it's more than 1 million
You can also
rands.
sell your kidney while you're alive.
But
I'm asking for.
But it's one kidney. Remember, that one kidney can give you like 3 million rands. 3 million rands. One.
Not everyone qualifies for it.
I'm asking.
Yeah, it's not everyone. It depends with your blood type. If your blood type is A, then
Me, I'm asking for a cousin. Where do we find them? I'm asking so that I can call the police for
Black
them.
market.
for a
For the
kidney.
people who are buying the kidneys, where do I find
Black
them?
market.
Or you want to say the
What is
kidney?
the No, not
This is
me.
a black market.
I'm asking so that I can call the police.
But you know the disadvantage about like selling your kidney is just that some of the things that you used to do, you can't even do them. Like for example, running. You can't run. You can't eat too much fats. You can't eat too much like
But you
proteins.
can
just
survive,
because-
guys, with one kidney.
You can survive, but some of the things will be
But
minimized.
like,
It's sort of like being controlled.
but you can't
I will drive my Benz with my one kidney. It's fine.
Hi guys, it's tough. Guys, I know this podcast is nice, but fair to see you on the next episode. We didn't just cut, but time is just not allowing us to get there. So Buffet, see you on the next episode. Thank you, Buffet.
Before Sivala, I would like to say, Wuti, there are two grooves. Year 29, Zaga March. So if you wanna catch me, see me, drink with me, spend time with me, I would advise you to
With
come
us.
to, with us.
my sister.
I would advise you to come to Kanyo's Mr. Funhouse himself's Funhouse episode 5.
Yes.
If you want to
And
catch
in Observatory, if you want to catch
Yes.
Steezy,
That's
you can catch him at home sleeping. He
Yeah,
doesn't
at home.
Stay safe. I love you. It's Nostra 5.
And what about is
What
it the
is the
stepper?
order of the game, actually?
Wait,
Oh,
the
order of the
stepper
game,
item.
that's
The
it.
stepper.
yeah, step by step you can find Steve. No, what's wrong with you?
I don't think people are going. You find me in the streets running. That's how you find me. If you want to find me in the streets.
Oh, and it's also on the 25th of March. It's my birthday, so guys, please send me gifts.
Mati, what's the word of the day?
The word of the day. Amadoda enzohlala mathatha.